back to my channel. I really appreciate you stopping on by. I understand I'm supposed to tell you to subscribe and like this video. It is incredibly late and I gotta be at work tomorrow. For all my working ladies out there with families, I don't only have time to yourself after everybody else goes to bed, so here we go. Guess what? I got my Boxycharm today. I wanted to hurry up and film this unboxing because I might want to use some of the products in there. This will actually mark my 1-year anniversary of being with Boxycharm. I originally signed up with Boxycharm as a reward. I was doing really well on a weight loss plan, and if I could hit a certain milestone, I was going to treat myself to a monthly Boxycharm subscription. Spoiler alert, I've gained a lot of that back. I do always look at the Ipsy spoilers just because I like to do add-ons. Well, Boxycharm doesn't really do that. They do have a sneak peek, but like you're never quite sure what you're gonna get on the variation. You just know what everybody's gonna get, and then it's kind of a surprise the other two items. And I'm really hoping, because it's the first time I've seen Boxycharm offer any kind of mascara that might be waterproof. I'm really hoping I get the butter mascara. I'm looking for a good high-end waterproof mascara, and it would be really nice if I could get it through a subscription box so that I'm not paying out the wazoo to find out that I really hate mascara. And I feel like I always get sent these lashes when I really want the mascara from Boxycharm. I don't wear lashes. They look ridiculous. Oh yeah, my lashes magically grew an inch overnight. Oh no. I was born with these tarantulas on my eyes. So I'm really hoping that I get that mascara, but I have a feeling whenever I really want to win the Boxycharm lottery, I never do. So, and I do feel like they probably have sent the nice stuff out to the people already with who got the PR boxes. I might, you know, that might not really happen. I'm excited. Let's get into this. We'll see if I like everything that I'm being given. Please have the mascara. And for those of you who have never had Boxycharm before, although I don't know, there's a proliferation of unboxing videos out there. I'm assuming most people have heard of it by now, but it is a $21 a month makeup subscription service. You can get skincare in it, but it's usually makeup heavy, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, very high-end makeup usually. A lot of indie brands. You know, this month's theme is peace, love, and Boxy for the whole Coachella thing. I guess they're gonna be at Coachella. So. And I didn't get the mascara. Am I surprised? Am I surprised by this? No. Well, at least I didn't get any more freaking lashes. Say that I have variation 6 on here at the corner of every card. It will say how many variations you are. I think I have seen somebody, look, it looked like they had like variation number 14, and I'm like, oh wow, that is like, so apparently they must have had a ton of variations this time around. And I also saw, well, I see a lot of people getting the Starlooks eyeliner. I do have an eyeliner in here, but it is not Starlooks. It's Bodyography. I don't know. I haven't really heard of them. But I saw somebody did get the sparkly Jante Blue eyeliner from, it was either October or November of last year. But anyway, she got that this month. So it also makes me wonder if like Boxycharm isn't trying to get rid of some of their older products. I wonder if that's what this is. And you know what? I've already mentioned it. So we have an eyeliner here from Bodyography. It's in the shade Bally Bronze. Another flippin' copper shaded eye pencil. I don't need this shade. I didn't mind it so much. I don't remember if it was back in February or if it was last month, but I got the bronzy eye crayon, which, you know, is okay, except I don't ever reach for that. But again, it's the same bronze shade I've gotten over and over again. It does have an MSRP of $14. I don't know who would be paying $14 for this, but okay. Maybe I haven't tried it enough though to make that judgment. I got the Appeal holographic lip gloss, and I don't know if I even want to open this or try it, because I don't wear lip gloss. I did end up enjoying the Tarteist, I think, glossy lip paint that we got, and I still, you know, I still use it, but I don't reach for it all the time. And I think the only reason why I really reach for it is because I love the way it smells. And it's not overly sticky, but like, I don't have high hopes for this. But I shouldn't judge it. Maybe I should try it. I'm tempted not to open this in case somebody else I know around me might enjoy it more. I don't know. Oh, apparently it has an argan oil infused shine to it. Okay, so it has argan oil in it. I don't know. Maybe it might be good. But seriously, $21? Who's gonna pay $21? I mean, people out there, like, people might hate me right now for saying this, but like, who pays $20 for a lip gloss? To me, thinking of lip gloss as a kiddie thing, I think of, you know, the Wet n Wilds or the little lip smackers or whatever that you were able to get for like less than $5 with your Christmas money. I just don't understand these brands charging $20 or $21 for a lip gloss. Really? For something that does not stay on my lips, you know. I already have a hard enough time spending over like really over 10, but over 15 on a lipstick. And I get it. You can get some really nice lipsticks out there, but for a lip gloss that's gonna be gone in 2 seconds, please. Unless it can fix my family dinner, it's not worth $21, okay? I'm sorry. Just my opinion. My opinion. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I don't know, again, how much use I'm gonna get out of this because I already have so many highlighters, and oftentimes that's the one step that I skip in my morning routines just because it's oftentimes the last thing I do. It tends to be the step that I skip, mainly because it's a little too much to be wearing highlighter to an office. And so if you already, like, I feel like that's the #1 thing that all these subscription boxes keep giving out. Like, I went from like having no highlighters in my life to having like 10, and nobody's gonna use that many highlighters. Now, I've seen a lot of people give a lot of positive reviews on this, so who knows, maybe I'll try it out. But it is the Diamond Glow Powder. It's in the shade Purple Dream. When I'm putting it in the light here, it does look like this goldy highlighter with a purple shift to it. So that's kind of cool. Maybe it could work as a nice eye topper, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so the next thing that everybody got was the Luxie brushes, and I am super excited for these because I am excited anytime I get Luxie brushes. They're just phenomenal. They're phenomenal brushes. And I love getting different kinds. Like this bigger one here, I am super excited about it. Ooh, I don't know. These feel a little bit different than other Luxie brushes. Like, I don't know. Does anybody else feel like they're like a little bit different quality than the ones that we've gotten in the past? I mean, it feels soft, but like there's just a different feeling to it. It's kind of cool because it has these like it fades down like a sunset, and it's pretty, and I like that pink, but you feel the hollowness to it. I don't want to say they're cheap, but they kind of feel a little bit cheaper than normal Luxie brushes. Maybe nobody else feels that way. Actually, I'm really excited about this one because I needed another flat shader. I lost my Alamar Cosmetics one. I'm still looking for it. Bummed that I don't have it because I love that. So it is nice to get this shader here, but like, I don't know. I'm feeling these bristles and they do not feel to be the same quality as my other Luxie brushes. So finally, we have the Pure Festival palette. And everything that I've seen on this so far, like, okay, let's be honest. I didn't need another eyeshadow palette, and I would have been totally fine if we hadn't gotten an eyeshadow palette this month. I totally understand that people new onto the subscription service would have like probably been bummed out if it would have been another month without an eyeshadow palette. I'm kind of oversaturated right now, and I don't know if any of these colors, I will say that the glitters are catching my eye in this. Honestly, I think I already have that purple and pink color, and really the glitter shades would be the only new things. And here's the thing, I'm probably not going to use glitter on my eyelids that often, so I don't know how useful this will be to me. I already have so many palettes with the same like red, bronze, brownie shades in it. I did get a sample of the Pure Get a Grip eyeshadow primer, which will be nice to try. I have enjoyed every Pure product that we've gotten from Boxycharm. I love and I still use the contour palette. I love the way it smells. I love the Masquerade palette that we got. I love the eyeshadows in that and the blushes. I probably love it more for the blush. And I know a lot of people complained about the Masquerade palette, but I thought it was great. I have no complaints. So I just want to see if this is up, you know, to snuff with the other products. And if it smells like chocolate, I love it even more. Here it is. I'll probably cover up that mirror. I don't know if I want to show my secrets. Looking at it here, yeah, I probably have almost every single one of the shades in here. This sunset shade looks really pretty with the shimmer in it. It looks really pretty. It looks orangey, but then it's got like these little peachy flecks of glitter. That one is retailed at $36. And you know what? I think I forgot to mention the Luxie brushes are valued at $28. And then the Artist Couture powder is $27. Am I happy with this month's box? I don't know. I'm going to think about it. I do feel like I need to try out the products first. I am obviously still very bummed I didn't get the mascara, but then again, a lot of there's 14 variations. A lot of people didn't get the mascara. I might have to hold out hope that they have a whole bunch of them that they just haven't released to everyone, and that'll end up on the future charm room. That's the only thing I can hope for. Or I just purchase it on my own and try it out. I have a hard time spending $20 or more on a mascara I'm not even sure will work for me, when there are tons of drugstore mascaras that you can get that are probably just as good for less than $10. So a little hard for me to justify that price tag, but who knows? Maybe I can find some like sample sizes and give it a try. So the value of my box was $126. I spent $21 on it. I'm just gonna say this. I think a lot of these prices are way inflated, so I don't think you're really getting the full value that they indicate that you're getting from the box, but I guess that's something that goes along with the territory of a subscription box. Obviously they wouldn't be able to give you these items at the price that they offer if there wasn't at least some discount that they're getting on it. I was excited about these. I don't know how excited I am about them now that I've actually felt them, but they're still cute. I'll still use them. I'll still get use out of them. I just don't think they're as soft as my other brushes. And then of course this is nice. I again was in a situation where I didn't need another eyeshadow palette, but I guess I'm glad that I have this. Nice to try it, but and I guess it'll be nice to try this too. I don't know. I don't know. And then of course the eye pencil and the lip gloss that I'm not sure that I'm going to use. I think this month is kind of a bust for me on this box. But I'd be interested in hearing what other people have to say on it. It is way too late. I need to go to work tomorrow. And so thank you very much for spending time with me on this Boxycharm unboxing. And again, like if you like this video. Subscribe if you would like to and like to see, you know, more of my videos. Thank you. See you later. Have a great day, weekend, evening, whenever you're watching this video.